friends, welcome back to Simple Danny Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of simple Rava Laddu. For this, heat about 4 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Fry some dry fruits of your choice. Take them out, and to the remaining ghee add 2 cups of rava or sooji. Roast rava until it gets light golden color. As soon as it got light golden color, switch off the flame and transfer this rava to the mixing bowl. Let it cool down for some time. Next, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Mix well. Now I am adding about 6 tablespoons of melted ghee. Now add some milk to bind Rava Laddus. Don't add too much milk. Now let's make laddu. Add dry fruits. Our simple and delicious Rava Laddu is now ready. Try this delicious laddu for this Diwali at your home and enjoy. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.